All right, guys, a couple tips on Keepa. This is the Keepa plugin that you can download or pay for the subscription for. But this is a way that you can speed up your searching for deals that you want to post to your groups. So you're logged into Keepa. I'm assuming you have a Keepa subscription to do this, and you've installed everything that you need to install, and you're logged in. So on the top left, there is this deals button. So go ahead and click on the deals button. And when you click on that, I've reset everything to be generic. Now on the top, you can see I have some preloaded stuff, but I'm going to show you the power of this. So let's say that I'm looking for deals on AA batteries, right? AA. And in the top left, I'm going to type in AA batteries. So on the left-hand side, you have all sorts of options on what kind of deals you're looking for. Do you want the Amazon deals? Do you want just whoever has the buy box? Do you want any seller that is offering new, which could not all be in the buy box? And then you can go down, you can see use like new, and you can see what's going on there. This next one down is you can look at the interval. So are you looking for a drop in percentage over a day, a week, a month, 3 months, or just all time? So you can go through and you can select what you want. So I'm always going to look for a day or a week because the kind of deals I'm posting are for today. I don't want to post something that that dropped a couple weeks ago. Down here, you can select your ranges. So currently, it is sorting everything that is a battery that comes up with AA batteries that is in the last week, that is new, and has a price drop of 20 to 80%. Of course, if I increase this, I should see this is showing 41. If I increase this to, let's say, 10, then I should have more results. There we go, 105. Okay. So you can change these to be whatever you want them to be. All right. Now, you can also do it to be the dollar range that you're dropping. For instance, something that is $10 and it drops 10% is a dollar. So you may want to change this to be something more reasonable. So you can play with that. And then, of course, you want to weed out, and especially in the battery category, people aren't going to buy batteries for $500. So I would kind of move this slider down to the around the $50 mark, depending on the quantity. So there we go. We're sorting for 10% or more in the last week, and I'm going to always choose 4 stars and up. And now we're down to 58 items. And then the next thing I can do is I can sort these by percent off. So this pack of batteries is 28 count. It's currently 52% cheaper than it normally is. And there's your current price right there. This is the next best one. It's 49%. And then you can go through here and kind of determine which is the best one to show my audience. Is it this one or that one? You can also apply some filters here. You can say, well, what listings have the lowest price ever for that listing? And it will do that for you too. It'll keep all the same parameters. You can unclick it, and then you can, it has to have an Amazon offer, or it has to have reviews. So you don't want anything with a new seller, right? You don't want any of those options. And so you can sort this, and as you do it, there comes down to 31. And then you can change your filters on the left. You can say, the largest dollar percent or dollar drop, sorry. So while this has a 49% drop and this one has a 52% drop, this has dropped more in dollars than this has dropped, if that matters for what you're doing. And there's some other things there. And so if I take off let's just go to buy box. So I have 31 new. If I go to buy box, 29. So that's not too bad. So that's an easy way to sort. Of course, this is a feature of the Keepa app. Down below, I have those links like everybody else has. But it's an easy way to sort through things. And then once you have this done, at the top here, you can see mine's already filled in. But you can, like, let's say I clicked on this earlier, but I overwrite with current selection. So I click this and I rename this, and let's say it's double A. We'll just name it double A, right? I hit enter, right? So now let's just choose something else here. I'm going to choose a totally different category and then go back to the double A that we just did. and you'll see all my filters on the left-hand side. It preloads it back up for whatever I set for this. It has all the results. Let's say that I'm like, okay, you know what? I want deals for today only. So I click day. Now I'm down to 13, and I go, you know, I like those results better. Well, I click on the little pencil, overwrite. Let me go back to another one. I'll go back to clamps. Remember, it was 13, still is 13. It overrid it, and you are good to go. So that's a feature of the Keepa deals, uh, site or something to help you streamline your deal finding. I hope that helps for you.